Yeah. But you see the magnitude of this, and all I think about is strange fruit.
Strange fruit, huh?
Man. So, one of the things that I know as I go through and being called, to have, to do things where I know my ancestors hung. And I go to these farms and I take it very seriously in terms of what God has called me to do. And I just look, yes, there's hemp here. And right in the middle is a tree. When you talk about Strange Fruit by Nina Simone, this is it. These are those trees. The purpose of what I do is not about money. It's about creating generational wealth for people to change their family's destiny. My God. And these photos and this video really does not get the magnitude of this. My God.